I wanted to do a quick review of this Bella wide slot toaster. Although it comes in a pretty plain box, it's actually packaged pretty well. You'll find the manual on top, and the toaster is held in place by two cardboard cutouts. It also has a little foam piece protecting the lever and two cardboard cutouts inside the slots. This toaster honestly looks and feels premium with its stainless steel finish. And like in most other toasters, the breadcrumb tray is under the toaster. On the front, you have all your settings going from left to right. You have reheat, toast, bagel, defrost, waffle, gluten-free, and the cancel function. And right below that is the dial to control the amount of toasting. I toasted 4 pieces of bread to check the control and how evenly the bread would get toasted. The first one I did was on a very light setting, and the second ones I did almost at the darkest settings. So these were the results. As you can see, it did a pretty good job even on the dark toast. It seems to have toasted pretty evenly if you account for the bread not being exactly straight. So overall, this toaster does a great job. It has lots of functions and it gives you good control over your level of toasting.